It takes all sorts to make a world. On that point we are clear. It takes all sorts to make a world. We don't want COVID here. It really is quite criminal to cause all this unrest. It takes all sorts to make a world. It's just that our sort's best. When one explores the great outdoors, one feels what one may see. A great big crowd, we're safer bound right here on the settee. Outside the world is changing. It's a constant state of fuck. We ask you please, why don't you leave? You really truly suck. Oh, it takes all sorts to make a world. On that point we are clear. It takes all sorts to make a world. We don't want COVID here. It really is quite criminal to cause all this unrest. It takes all sorts to make a world. It's just that our sorts best. It takes all sorts to make a world. On that point we are clear. It takes all sorts to make a world. We don't want COVID here. Oh, fuck, I've just lost the email. Wait a minute. Where are you? Where are you? You sent it on Monday. Oh, got you. Sunday. All right, enjoy. Around the world is... Forgotten the words. It's just that our sort's it's just that our sort's best. What the fuck was that? Right, I need to turn Ella down because she's really loud. So we're just gonna... Hopefully, I won't be able to hear that time. Okay. That last one went so well until I fucked up the ending. What is it? It takes all sorts. It's just that our sort's best. Okay, let's nail it, Ella. Get your shit together. Okay. Right, here we go. Take 3. Third time lucky. Sort's best. Okay, I can't wink on that side. So, okay, that's better. Okay, let's do this one. Last one, because I wasn't happy with my mix in the last one. Okay, right, here we go. I didn't push play. I still didn't push play. Why the fuck would it play? Oh, because it's at the end.